Drop down a little bit. There you go. Oh, did you get it? Bring it on over here. Come on, Pop. Whoop. There's you another one.
These are my peeps.
These are your peeps over here, huh? He said, this is my cove without the wind.
This is my cove. I don't like the wind. I like it without the wind.
Oh, come on. Stay still.
It's a decent one.
Yeah. It'll eat.
Like,
Hog 'em.
so I see what you're doing now. If they're kind of behind you, what you do is you turn on them and then straighten up.
So the idea is I want to swing the boat so that I get the fish out in front of me. Because it's a whole lot easier to fish that fish out in front of me than trying to swing my rod back behind me.
No doubt. Kind of get them a little chase.
Yeah. There you go. Swing it on over here. A good one. Good job.
Back to my peeps.
You like this little cove over here. There you go.
Come on, get right.
A little higher.
Dead down.
Got him. Come here. Yeah. That's him.
Sorry, I didn't mean to
No, you're good.
pop you in the head there.
Ow. You want to control that trolling motor so we don't run into a wall?
Oh, yeah.
I'll grab you a new one of these. Oh! Hey.
It was better than that day at Gibson.
And that's how you want that fish to look whenever you're approaching it.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it bright, keep the bait bright, keep the bait bright. Fish bright, bait bright, fish bright, bait bright. Step above its head. She's lining up. Come on. Come on. Did you get it?
Yep.
Good job.
Oh!
Came off?
Yep.
That's alright. Let me see your bait. Make sure she didn't rip the tail off of it. Oh no, you're good.
Oh, gone.
That's alright.
Had her.
Good thing is she couldn't have gone far.
Following my bait.
Did you get him? Good job. Hang on. Woohoo!
Sorry, did I slap you again?
Nope, you're good. I was concentrating on my phone because I was getting it on active captain video.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, so I was trying to, every time we got on a fish, I was trying to time it so I hit record at the same time you were going for the catch.
kind of looked at it, swam around it. Hey, what about this? Oh, wait a minute. You were turned a certain way and it looked like his hand. You and this fisher.
Man, that fish are done here. Take this. I'm done jacking with her. I ain't got time for her crap.
I wondered when you were going to be finished with her. How about this one?
If I was by myself, I'd go through 3 different lures trying to catch that fish. Oh, that was my bad.
Looking. I think we just about had it. It's funny, there's just kind of a sweet spot time frame in there.
Yeah.
You see a lot of them, and then
we're gonna go after that one that's 25 feet.
Got one right there swimming around. I don't know what that is. See it?
Yeah, might be a sandy.
It's a fast swimmer.
Usually sand bass will, like I said, you gotta be careful because them sand bass will come out of nowhere. Just yank that thing right out of your hand.
They're right there?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. That's a sandy. He'll come out of nowhere and all of a sudden you'll be like, what the hell just hit my bait?
Got one about 20 feet out.
Yep, that's what I'm going for. Hopefully he's not underneath that dock. It's not appearing to be. Up. I was about to say, that one's gonna grab it. Sandy.